It's not my fault.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm filming for you a cook and clean with me, which I haven't done one of these in quite some time, but I have been a busy bee just crafting, and I have to feed my family. You know how you busy, you having fun, but then you gotta stop and feed your family. But let me show you one of the items that I have made. I'm so excited for you guys to see. So first, I have all of my crafting items right over there. I actually just finished cleaning up. I might be doing something else tonight, we will see. But this is the newest sign that I have made. I'm so excited about it. It actually came out good. So I painted it. It's made out of wood. But what's different about this one is that it has the beads and it's double-sided. So the first one has pumpkin and the other side has Christmas. So whenever I make a sign, I like to make it double-sided because, you know, I don't like buying signs for every season when you could just have a sign with multiple stuff. So when a new season comes along, all you have to do is flip the sign over. So 2 signs in one. Isn't that great? So I think I will be adding this into my Etsy shop. I'll keep this one and I'll definitely make more. But I'm excited to be able to add more items in my Etsy shop on there. But I can pretty much customize it to any design on here, or if you don't like the word Christmas or whatever, I can also change that to something else. But it came out pretty good. So for tonight's dinner, I'm making spaghetti, and I got the pot of water getting ready to boil for the noodles. I like to do that first and then just wash it off and just use the same pot for the spaghetti, and then I mix it all in there together. It's an easy dinner, you guys. Spaghetti is one of those meals that's super easy to make, plus your family really likes it. Like my kids are obsessed with spaghetti, so when I make them, they're excited about it. And I'm using some Rayo's spaghetti sauce. It's cheaper if you get them from Sam's Club, because if you buy them at the store, it's a lot more expensive. It's like $6 a jar. And the ground beef. And then this is something I wanted to show you guys. So these are garlic knots, and I got them from Sam's Club, and they're only $5.98, but we love garlic knots. So I will be popping these in the oven, and then I will make a side salad with some avocado ranch, and that will be dinner. So now we are getting ready to make some spaghetti, and my son David wanted to help. He actually has been interested a lot in cooking. I've been telling you guys stories about him making his sandwiches, and he's actually been doing a pretty good job. So now he has been asking to learn more when it comes to cooking. So I have him mashing up my meat. We got to start off there, and it has been a learning process because he doesn't even know how to hold the handle to the meat masher. So I got to teach him.
I would change the honey, so I never saw your face.
Looking back at this video right here, I was actually trying to explain to him that don't be scared to mash up the meat with the meat masher. He was barely putting any force into it, but at the same time, when he did start putting force into it, he was going a little too rough like a Viking. I'm like, okay, homie, slow down. While my son was actually mashing up the meat, I was adding the seasonings on here, and most people know how to make spaghetti, and you pretty much put the seasoning that you want in there. So I was putting the regular seasonings like garlic powder, onion powder, I'm trying to remember, all-purpose seasoning. Yes, I did that as well. So that's what I was adding in here.
With the shadows on the bedroom wall.
And at the same time that we were cooking, we were also jamming to some music. We were actually jamming into some elevation worship, which I absolutely love. So when I get to praising and worship, that's it. I forget about everything else. And at this point, Destiny was getting a little jealous. She wanted to feel a little included. So once the meat was already pretty much mashed up, she wanted to come and help. Ain't that something?
But heaven knows I'm getting so much better every day. Yeah, baby.
I was showing my son how to pour into the pot without pouring it all the way from the top. You know how you pour and it splashes everywhere? I was telling him to pour a little lower so that it doesn't splash everywhere. And you know, when it comes with tomato sauce, if you don't go fast enough, it starts popping on the stove. So he started to get scared.
We'll find a way somehow. We will bear one another to the landfall, until the landfall. We're rolling way too fast to just enjoy the ride. Feeling too much hunger to stay bona fide. Lonely in a crowd we abide. Petrified, we could be unified. But heaven knows I'm getting so much better every day. Yeah, baby.
Guys, I definitely recommend you trying the garlic knots. They were so good, and for the price, you really can't beat it. You put it in the oven between 6 to 9 minutes, and it was delicious.
On this path, yeah. Even though my feet are barely finding solid ground, I'm getting much closer now. We'll find a way somehow. We will bear one another to the landfall, until the landfall.
All right, y'all, I have the salad ready, the spaghetti ready, and the dinner rolls ready. So I am done, and it's only 2:34, so I am finished with dinner. But one thing I did differently is, well, I want to say it differently. I've been doing this a lot throughout the summer, is I have been cooking double. So like that, I don't have to cook tomorrow, because ain't nobody got time for that, especially with this hot kitchen. So I made double, but to make it stretch even more, because my kids will eat a whole bowl of spaghetti if you let them, but they think they're slick, but they're not too slick. I have salad, so that will help them as another side, not just spaghetti, so I could give them a smaller portion of spaghetti, but also salad, which is good for them, and some dinner rolls. So that will help it stretch up for at least 2 days, because I've cooked spaghetti for 2 days. Let's just say it was enough for one person the next day for lunch. That was it.
Now it's time for me to clean the kitchen. Right before cleaning the kitchen, I took a nice long nap on the couch. Now, I'm not a napper. Very rarely do you ever see me taking a nap, but I was exhausted. I was up super late DIY, and then I got up super early in the morning, so I was tired and cooking and all that stuff. So I actually fell asleep on the couch, but now it's time to clean the kitchen. Luckily, my husband is home. Thank you for him, because when he was helping me clean the kitchen, it went twice as fast.
Will you miss my love? All the good times that we had. Will you miss my love?
When I watch other YouTubers wash dishes, I absolutely love it. I love watching other people wash dishes. Most of my dishes go in the dishwasher, but I do wash my pots and pans, my knives, my baking pans, stuff like that. I do wash those by hand, or like big bowls.
And I cherish every moment I got to spend with you. I have so much inside of me. I want to tell you something true. I've been missing you, love. Yeah, I've been missing you, love. All the good.
And if you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, because it helps support my channel, you guys. Thank you.
and your love, your love, your love. I don't wanna waste your time, I don't wanna change your mind. Are you better off alone? Girl, you stole my heart, and I'm losing you. I'm losing you. I'm still missing your love. Yeah, I'm still missing your love. All the good times that we had, I'm still missing your love. I'm still missing you and your love, your love, your love.
Here my husband was helping put the rest of the food away for me. Guys, another thing I gotta tell y'all, I don't like putting food away. Like, that's something I do it because I have to if my husband's not home, but I don't like to put food away. It's not my favorite thing. Most of the time when I get a container out, I never get the right size container. I either get a container that's too big or too small, so that's not my forte.
Still missing you, missing you.
So now my husband will be drying the dishes off with the clean microfiber cloths. We don't use the same microfiber cloths, you guys. We have tons of the blue microfiber cloths, plus we have tons of the same color type cloths. So I'm constantly switching them out, but we use a dry microfiber cloths to dry the dishes.
Won't you come closer, baby? Stay with me tonight. We're in this crazy, hazy land. Let's get away from this bar. Baby, take my hand. We don't have to walk that far to get to my home place. I wanna show you something more. Let's reach out for a place where we've never been before. Don't need to hesitate, 'cause it's getting late. The night is warm and sweet. We're soaking from the heat. Let's go, just you and me. We can set us free tonight. So won't you come?
Besides wiping down the counters, one of my absolute favorite parts about cleaning the kitchen is cleaning out the sink. I find it so satisfying, you guys.
Won't you come closer, baby? Stay with me tonight. So won't you come closer? You know it's alright. Won't you come closer, baby? Yeah. Stay with me tonight.
part right here is for you, Tiffany Michelle. I know how you like my faucet. You find it so relaxing.
Oh, I guess that you were back in town. It's been a long time since you've been around. Remember when...
Now my husband's cleaning off the kitchen table so that he can put the chairs on the table so like that the robot vacuum can clean off the floor.
Oh, how I wish we could go back again. I've decided it's been too long, baby. Reaching out to touch your heart, hope for a maybe. I get a one-way ticket down to memory lane. There are two hearts beating, just nothing will ever be the same.
That will be all, guys. I hope you enjoyed this cleaning motivation. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and keep a lookout for my next videos, guys. Bye.